What is going on YouTube? So we are in Five Below. Let me sort my house. Five Below came in. This is a walk for the door. The woman said, "Oh, you know that thing you were looking for? We got it in." Here it is. So we're gonna have to make a purchase. What is going on YouTube? So we are back. We have the creepy witch from Five Below. I'm just going to do like a little setup. I'm sure it's not going to take long, but I'm curious. Okay, there's a little bit of tape. Obviously, I'm in the garage or garage. Let me just show you the box. Okay. Upside down. Creepy witch. That side. It's all pretty much the same. I'm hoping the sound might be alright. Usually it's a bit echoey in the garage. Okay. That's probably how there was one. The poles, the instructions flew over here. Creepy witch. Very technical. So we have 3 poles. There is the base. How low can you go? Okay. Obviously, it's exactly like a Christmas tree kind of setup. Smells like
freshly made plastic. Okay.
Okay, so this has got a hole here. This piece, which should have a hole, doesn't have a hole, so I just kind of put it in there, and it's the only way it can go because these two is too small to slot in. So be aware of that. And then this end literally just goes in here. Okay, let's have a look at the witch, shall we? Where is she? There's a hand. There's another hand. It's pretty like thick cloth. It's not just like some. Ah, look at that. She's cool. No, the slits in there, and then the. Okay, let me put some batteries in the back, and I shall return. Batteries are in. She's like such good quality. What's your arm? Arms move. But look how cool she is. I love her face. She's a real cutie pie. I mean, she's not. She's just like, wow. She's just kind of like cheap plastic, like a cheap mask, plastic mask. But she's very cool. There's her hands. But she's big.
it's filled with like proper material. Okay, I'll kind of put in a more kind of witchy.
She's cool.
Hi there.
Okay. The moment of truth.
She's fun. I really like that she doesn't have that crappy satin material that you see on all of them.
There's a button.
Button. Oh. Oh.
I didn't expect that. I've never seen a demo of it, so I didn't actually know what it did.
That's a lot for something that's not like she moves down.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's
I know
got-
her eyes don't move, or her mouth doesn't move or anything, but she's cute. Oh. No, there's some sensor.
Trying to find a sensor. Every time it just randomly does it, it makes me jump.
So it's just like
Or maybe she just does it? I also just read it on the box. It's sound activated. It's not doing it, is it? Boo. And motion. Okay, I thought there was like a setting, but there isn't. But I just saw this little button at the back. So you can actually just set her off with the button. Okay, so it's not dark, but it's darker. So I'm gonna push the button. One more time. That's why it's so scary. It's not like annoying because it doesn't go off when you want it to. It just does it. She's gonna do it. Oh my word. Cool. Okay, see you later. You're just hanging out in the backyard. So cool. I love it.